President Emerson Mnangagwa's loyalists are in disarray after Vice President Constantino Chiwenga publicly reviewed alleged plans to suspend elections for a decade. This move is widely believed to be part of an effort to extend the 83-year-old leader's rule beyond 2028, a prospect that has ignited a fierce power struggle within ZANU-PF. Sabina mashoko bdanyu papangwana chinzi General Chiwenga publicly exposes plot to ban elections for 10 years to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina unamu bdanyu pamchinzi Chiwenga, who has emerged as the most vocal critic of the so-called 28th agenda, recently told ZANU-PF Politburo meeting that a controversial document titled Breaking Barriers Initiative BBI, putting Zimbabwe first, was being used by a government in the parliament to justify a plan to postpone elections and secure Mnangagwa's extended stay in power. The BBI document, leaked just before the ruling party's Mutare annual conference last month, has sparked a scramble within ZANU-PF to control the narrative surrounding possible constitutional and government reforms. The 68-page paper, which circulated widely on social media, outlines timelines for legislative amendments, purportedly under the auspices of the Parliament of Zimbabwe. It claims the initiative seeks to detoxify politics and end disputed elections by delaying elections for up to 10 years in favor of national governance transition. Critics argue that the language marks an attempt to consolidate power under Mnangagwa. The document presents itself as a parliamentary effort to strengthen policy coherence and end winner-takes-all politics. Justice Minister Ziyambi and ZANU-PF Affairs Secretary confirmed during a Politburo meeting that the BBI document existed, saying it was first brought to his attention by TSHABANGU, the self-imposed Citizen Coalition for Change, TSHABANGU Secretary General, accompanied by General Kumalo from Chiwenga's office. In quotes, it is surprising how the writer got hold of the Building Bridges Initiative document if it was meant for Parliament, Ziyambi said, insisting the report was not harmful but actually promotes nation building. He described it as an opposition document that sought to improve relations between ZANU-PF and the opposition, adding, as a party, we should appreciate the relationship with the opposition, which has been beneficial to us. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ino achitaura panapa nezvigananda vanyazoratidza kuti aiwa vanaTSHABANGU, they are now being used again kuti vakwanise kupavha way for 2030 plan. Kana comment section medu dzafungura imo kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.